Okay, so what I have here is 2 carbon monoxide detectors. Both are always on, and they are near the exhaust pipe of a car that I suspect to be fairly dirty. It's a little breezy. May need to put them in a bag, but for the time being, I'm going to hold them as similarly as I can and wave them around in front of the exhaust a bit. I don't want them to get hot or be exposed to the steam, but I would presume they would pick up some. And just to be sure, I'll try to switch positions so that their sensors are randomly oriented and none is given favoritism. Front to back, back to front. Now, I would have assumed already. Okay, now this one, first alert is showing 135 parts per million. I think. Is that what it says? Yeah. So it's showing some carbon monoxide. It just went up to 613. The other one is showing nothing. It's like first alert completely turned off or something. Now it's showing 0, is that right? Okay, I'm going to stop waving them. I'm going to hold them right in the path of the exhaust. Kind of surprised. There's first alert showing 135 parts. Again, I don't want to be having one be in a position that's more favorable, so I'm trying to switch the orientation around. First alert is clearly reacting, and the other device so far has shown no sign of anything. The first alert just issued an audible alarm and is telling us to get the hell out of there. So it's saying bad news. It's interesting that it stopped. Put them both down again. Okay, now the other one is showing 767. It has not issued an alarm. 773. A minute. Now the other one, they're both in the 700s. Interesting that neither one is issuing an alarm. And this is literally right in the exhaust of the car. I'll pull them away a little bit. I don't know why both of them aren't screaming at the top of their lungs. And that seems to be the first alert again. I think now the other one is now at 999. It is not making any noise. First alert's making noise, showing 966. I have no idea why this is not making any noise. 994, 966. Alright, I'm going to remove the first alert. I'm going to push the test button and cancel it. Clear it. Waving it in the air. Holding the test button down. It's going down to 480. It's going down to 482. So I'm going to set this aside. Just concentrate on this one. So it is showing 999, but is making no noise. So it sensed something, but it's just not making any noise. I don't get it. I'm going to push the test. So the test makes a noise. It says it's passed its own test. It's showing 999. Now I think it's cleared. So we're going to try it one more time. I'm just going to hold it here. Looks like it's showing 999 again. It's making no audible noise. I don't understand it. Hell, I feel bad just standing here breathing this stuff. I don't think I'm going to stand here much longer. I think what I'll do is leave it. I'll leave it in the proximity of the exhaust. But it's now been several minutes and it's issued no alarm. I don't know much about these, but that seems to be a concern to me. So that's what I'll do with this one. I'm going to shut this video off now. There'll be some links in the description. Oh, now this one has gone down to 51. Actually, let me just double check that. That may be the temperature. No, that's the parts per million. It's gone down to 45 parts per million, 38. So it's dropping, and there is a breeze blowing across. So there's just really no way to but again, this is the proximity to the exhaust pipe. Showing a full battery. Anyway, there'll be links in the description below to these products. You can make your own decision about which ones you might want to buy. That's all.